And that's that thing yours.
Problem is if I move, then the cat moves.
Yeah, it was a good fight. A lot of information, a lot, isn't it?
Hi,
Yeah,
Corby.
you know,
Hi,
just, again, it's that
Corby.
experience.
What's that, Alex? Is that the cat? Is
Hello.
that the cat?
There's a cat. He says, I got his
Cat.
tail. Hey, that's me.
Ooh.
That's me. That's me.
Really, it's really
Yay. Bite your tail.
Yeah,
Bite your tail. Yeah,
we get the
bite your
cat?
tail. Bite your tail. Yeah, bite your tail.
The thing about Islam, I think that people don't realize is, and especially about hijab and stuff, is
Oh, yeah,
women
right.
choose
Put your
to
butt
wear
right
it.
in his
It's
face.
not
Great.
something
You know?
that's forced upon us or we're
I don't
oppressed.
think so.
The basic reason for wearing
Oh.
the hijab is it's stated in the Quran that God
Get down, you get down. No pissing over here.
I said, oh, he smiled at me. He
Yes.
smiled at me.
Which eyes teeth?
What else have you got there, Alex? Have you got a frog?
Oh, no, don't put it back, honey. He's
clothing and stuff.
Kobe's a little more
I feel like
unpredictable,
once my
so
daughters get older,
don't
they
put him
decide
close.
to wear hijab, and they're in school and they face similar things that I faced.